Some companies may decide to establish their own corporate universities to deliver customized training, a strategy that does provide several benefits. First and foremost, these in house programs are easier to tie to the organization's strategy. Everyone involved in the design process is well versed in the organization's culture, its mission, its vision. They are familiar with how the organization works, which usually translates into a better training program. For these two reasons, and number three, top leaders and managers tend to support in house programs more so than externally developed programs. If an organization is going to be conducting a lot of training for a lot of people, a corporate university may be the way to go. For smaller organizations, it may not be feasible.